everyone! Welcome back to our quick info series. Today, we're diving into the world of finance in just 60 seconds. Ever wondered, what is Bitcoin? Well, let's break it down. Bitcoin is a digital currency, a form of decentralized money that operates without a central authority like a government or bank. It's based on a technology called blockchain, ensuring secure and transparent transactions. Picture a chain of blocks, each block representing a transaction. Once verified, it's added to the chain, creating a permanent and unchangeable record. What's unique? There's a limited supply of Bitcoin. Only 21 million will ever exist, making it a bit like digital gold. Security is a big deal. Complex mathematical problems secure transactions, making it extremely difficult to counterfeit. Bitcoin's value can be volatile, with prices influenced by market demand, investor sentiment, and global events. And that's it. Bitcoin in a nutshell. A decentralized, limited supply digital currency using blockchain technology. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick insights. Catch you in the next 60 seconds.